Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get the Megalodino in Plant vs. Brainrot. So this is one of the hardest unit to unlock because it requires a specific map event and collectible item that many players miss. So to get Megalodino, you first need to play on the beach or the ocean themed map because the Megalodino spawn event only triggers there. So you need to stay in the match until the water surge event begins. You will know it's active when the waves rise and aquatic brainrots start spawning. So during this event, you need to look for the glowing blue fossil piece that appears near the shoreline. It can spawn in different spots. So you need to walk along the beach edge until you see it shining. Once you find it, you need to pick up the fossil and finish the wave. So after you secure the fossil, you need to head back to the main lobby and find the fossil workbench area. Then you need to interact with the place the fossil inside and complete the short repair sequence. So once the process finish, Megalodino becomes unlocked and added to your unit list. So if the fossil didn't spawn in your match, you need to rejoin another server. The event doesn't trigger every time. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.